friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be setting up our horizontal planners for the next week in June, and I've got some washi tape here ready to go, as well as a sticker book which I pulled from, and then my wax paper layout all ready to go. Okay, so this week I decided to do a kind of cool beachy theme. I came across those stickers in that Color Story sticker book, and because it's such a specific color palette, I just kind of stuck with what was available there in that book. It seemed to work out pretty well. There was enough variety of stickers that I could do what I wanted to. Yeah, so I didn't end up needing to go outside of that sticker book to make this work, which was great. And so I'm going to go ahead and start off by laying in a large to-do list sticker. That's what I'm going to be using that long box sticker for. I've done this a couple of times in the past, and I go back and forth on whether I like it or not, but I've been having a lot of little task-oriented things that I need to get done, and I have a half sheet separate from this that I've been using to kind of keep track of those little things, but it would just be helpful to have it all in the spread, so I wouldn't have to flip back and forth between that and the to-do list that I've made. So I'm going to try this week and see how it goes. I'm also laying in some layering here of washi and layered stickers with the palm fronds, you'll see, and then some of those, like, it almost looks like wave, late corner waves. I don't know what to call these things, but that little green kind of watercolory look sticker, that is kind of layering those guys in just to add that color and variety. I'm also putting in some checklists for my normal weekly to-dos, my more, project-based to-dos. I am trimming those so that they fit directly inside of the day, so there's no overlap. They're just a tiny bit big, so that's what I'm doing there. And then I'm laying in some more decoration, some more layering. The idea with this spread obviously is pretty specific. It's just beachy themed with basically a to-do list for me. So that's kind of what I did. No real specific decor style, just kind of making things work and adding things in where I thought they looked good. More about layering washi and stickers and keeping those color palettes going as I was forming the pages. And I love washi layering, but I'm still kind of getting my feet wet with how to best do it. So trying things out, building up my understanding of how it works well on a spread. So definitely taking some cues from other planner babes and trying to make that work. But I really love the effect of layered washi. Here I'm keeping it simple because I'm using just two patterns, but they're both black and white washi, so kind of can't really mess that up too much because layering certain colors and things can create problems. So just trying to keep it real simple, and that tends to work best when you don't really know how to do something yet. Just start with the basics and like build up. So that's what I'm trying to do there with the washi. I also love these little like silhouetted palm trees. They really are giving me those California vibes. I live in Southern California, and apparently they just opened up the beaches so that we can actually sit on the sand now. The weather here is not really great right now in June. We call it the June gloom because it's always like overcast for pretty much the beginning of the month, and then it doesn't start to really clear out until the end, up until like July hits, and then suddenly it's like hot, hot, hot. But definitely getting ready for those beach days out, since there's not too many other places I'm going to be able to go for a while until this coronavirus is taken care of and have a normal life again. So anyway, so I just thought it'd be fun to bring in those beachy vibes, and just loving the way it looks, and just kind of the cool, and I don't know, it's a very sophisticated beach look. I like that. Now I'm just doing again some more layering with stickers. I got that Hello Weekend sticker in there, and I have it layered over a palm frond. Just going to make a little of adjustment to it because I felt like it was too high. I want to bring it closer to the washi. Just going to adjust that. I don't really have any focus boxes on here aside from the to-do list, but I do plan on kind of using those segmented spaces out for focuses as I go through. So it's a good alternative if you don't know what you're going to need for a spread. You can kind of segment out places for things and use them however it ends up working for you throughout the week. It's especially good like right now if you maybe don't have the same schedules you used to, or you're not really doing a lot of things. If you use it, great. If you don't, it's just white space that lets the eye rest. So it's a win-win. I'm going to go ahead and lay in this goals sticker, and then I think we will be done, friends. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up down below. Go ahead and leave me a comment if you'd like to get in touch, and think about subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, if you'd like to see more of my videos. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and we'll see you next time. Bye.